the current industry environment, there is a significant need to invest in innovation and also manufacturing. India needs both. We are not a service-based economy, not yet. So we need manufacturing. To get the competitive advantage, we need to overlap innovation and manufacturing. The bigger the overlap, the bigger the success. To do that, we have to create some centers of excellence. For example, which you are heading, Center of Excellence for Flow Chemistry. India has to demonstrate its capabilities. And India has done significant contribution to many areas. For example, as everybody is aware, Hyderabad is a capital of vaccines. So, Hyderabad-based companies also supply 75% of the world HIV drugs. So that is also a big contribution made. They also made the HIV treatment more affordable. In 2010, HIV treatment used to cost $350 per year per patient. Today, you can remove 10. So it is not even $35 per year per treatment for an HIV patient in the emerging world. Actually, it is $30. That means it is one bottle of treatment per month costs $2.5. That is less than a cup of Starbucks coffee. So that is the kind of innovation done by the companies based out of Hyderabad. They coupled scale and knowledge together. That is one good example. And second example is the Indian industry is fortunately in the earlier days was dominated by chemistry. But the understanding of biology is so much right now, I think people are focusing more onto biology. If you look at the nature is more powerful than all of us. So the way you understand biology can define the future of healthcare industry, in my opinion. Enzymes, fermentation, cell therapy, gene therapy, drug conjugates, all these will define the emergence of especially Hyderabad in this. See, India is known as a reverse engineering pharmaceutical industry.